Hey guys, Matt from Damond Motorsports here, and today I'm going to show you how to swap out the bushings in your passenger or transmission motor mount bushing carrier. We now offer these softer durometer bushings, so figured we'd do a quick little video showing you guys how we swap these out. So some tools that you'll need. Press is handy. It's not necessarily needed. You could use a hammer or C-clamp. And then a plastic trim removal tool. You could use a flathead screwdriver, but you may scratch the aluminum on the bushing carrier. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to press out the sleeve that's in the center of this. Now I'm just using a little stud with some nuts on it. Let's get it out to where I can just pull it right out. And now the trickier part is removing the bushings, but if you have one of these tools, it's really easy to do. You just kind of want to feed it in along the flange here, and just kind of twist up with it until it starts to separate. And once you get enough grab on it, you can literally just pull it right out. So same thing with the other side, or in some cases you could just push it from the center, pull this guy out. And then swapping in new bushings. For this you don't really need a press. These softer ones fit in really easily. You can literally just take them to the carrier and just kind of push them right in. And then same thing for the sleeve. Same thing, sleeve goes just in the center and just pushes right in. So with these guys, with the race ones, it's a little bit, they're a little bit firmer, a little bit trickier to push in. With those, generally a press will help. But yeah, just want to do a quick little video, show you guys how this is done. If you have any questions about our new softer bushings or anything else Damond Motorsports related, feel free to hit us up.